What's up, guys, and welcome back. It's your boy DGat, and today we are going to install the fuel door on Pegasus. I am so excited that I finally got this fuel door in. Y'all don't know how long I've been waiting on this, man. It's been a struggle trying to get this part. So I ordered it, I want to say back in March, and it's just been trouble getting it because it's been on back order for like the longest. So the wait is finally over. I don't know how long it's going to take me to install this. So I'll either put this as its own video or attach it to some of the other videos I have to finish editing. But anyways, enough about that. Let me show you guys the part. I'm so excited I can't even talk right now. Let me show you. All right, let me show you guys this part. When I tell you trying to get this part has been like trying to chase down an infinity stone. If you watch Avengers, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. But there's the part right there, baby. Let me unravel that thing. But yeah, guys, like I ordered it from one website and then they was like, oh, sorry, it's on back order. Don't know why they waited till after I placed the order to tell me that it's on back order. But yeah, that happened. Then it took forever, it didn't show up, and then it popped up on another website. So I was like, cool, I'ma just order it from the other website and get it here. Then they was like, it's on back order. So it's been very difficult trying to obtain this part, and it's been driving me crazy for the longest because it's actually the only fuel door that I like. But with that being said, there it is. Check out that bad boy right there. Yes. Check this something out the pack. Let me get this out the pack so you guys can see this. Yeah. So this fuel door is powder coated, and I like the chrome bolts that it has going around it, and it also comes upside down. It also comes with a locking key right there. Check that out. They actually send you 2 keys for this fuel door, man. I'm telling you, this is amazing. I don't even know how I'm gonna put this on, but I'm excited. I hope it comes with instrucciones, and it does. All right, let me take a look at these instructions, and then we'll get it started on the install. All right, so first things first, the instructions told me to tape everything off just in case you mess it up, and knowing my luck, I would probably mess it all the way up. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and take everything off so I don't mess everything up. Last thing I want to do is scrape and scratch Pegasus. So we're gonna make sure he taped off really good, like really good. I'm gonna do a second layer of tape just to make sure. So I ain't trying to scrape nothing. Do you hear me? We ain't trying to scrape nothing around here. And then once that bad boy all taped off around it, we're gonna start taking off the original gas fuel door, whatever you want to call it, gas door, gas tank door, whatever. It said masking tape. I don't think this is masking tape, but we make do with what we got around here. Little ingenuity goes a long, long way. I'm gonna come all the way out because I don't want your door to swing around and smack. I think that'll do. Okay, so the first step is complete. I would like to say that is almost spot on with the picture. Yeah. So now that we got phase 1 complete, step 2, we're gonna open the fuel door and we're gonna remove the 9 and 30 seconds bolts in 2 locations. It says that these are noted in the picture where we have our socket and the arrow. So socket and arrow saying they're right there, so it should be these 2 bolts. Come in a little closer so you can see what's going on. That bolt right there, and we need to hit that bolt right there. After we hit those bolts, we're gonna go on to the next step. This one, I don't know if I need these screws, so I'm gonna be sure to keep them in a findable spot. Okay. Got that off of there. Okay, and now we are back. I got the housing off, so as you can see, there's the filler tube right there where you fill in the gas, and right around that is where the housing and the gasket went, the rubber seal, whatever you want to call it. Now that that's removed, you'll be able to simply take the old fuel door off. I want to keep this, so I'm gonna not just drop it on the ground. I'm gonna put it inside the car and sit it down somewhere in case I ever have to put this back on. It's always good to keep these. Okay, now that we have the fuel door off, I need to put the U-bolts in these 3 locations here of where the factory one's connected. Once I put those U-bolts on, then I can put the new fuel door on, and then I can put the housing on. So let's go ahead and jump into that. So now what I'm gonna do is get these U-bolts right here off of the fuel door, and I need to put them in those 3 locations I showed you on the car. I already took one off, so I'm gonna take these other 2 off and slide them on the car, and then we'll be able to put the fuel door on. So let's get that started. Alright, so now that I got all 3 of those suckers off, I'm gonna go ahead and slide them on the car. So I'm gonna slide one on. Guess it goes like that. Alright, so that's one. Bruh, that is not gonna work, fam. Stupid, man. Okay guys, we are back, and on today's episode of Mods Gone Wrong, the clips that were given to me by DefenderWorks don't really fit the way that they need to. So I had to go to the parts store yet again. Said I was gonna stop working on my car late at night, but this was supposed to be direct bolt-on, but it wasn't. So because of that, I had to go to the hardware store again. So for some of you, if y'all experiencing problems with the clips not going down all the way, then you'll have to visit your hardware store, probably a couple, because these are really hard to find. Apparently with some customers they work, some customers they don't work, and of course I'm the customer that it doesn't work for. So I went to the hardware store, got some new clips, and I pray to God that these fit right. We're gonna find out. Oh, fit like a glove, freaking perfectly. So it fits right in that groove in there. The other ones that I had didn't, but this one fits exactly how I needed to. So this install should now be a piece of cake. I'm gonna put on the rest of the clips. It's supposed to be 3 clips, and then once I put those clips on, we can actually get ready to start putting everything back together. So much for direct bolt-on. Whoever said this was direct bolt-on, they freaking lied to me. Okay, so I think that's good enough. That'll get it done. The next step is to put this fuel filler housing back on, because I don't want my filler bouncing around in there. So we're gonna slip that sucker back on there if it allows me to, just like so. So my stuff still looks OE, if you know what I'm saying, OEM. If it decides to go on, there we go, like so. Now, in theory, this should work. Took me like a million minutes to line these things up, so it should work. We about to find out. Okay, I didn't want y'all to see me struggle with that, but finally, guys, after about 50 years of tightening and loosening and readjusting, it is finally on there, nice and tight, fits on the body. Whew. Definitely do not recommend this fuel door if you're looking for something quick and easy, but if you're looking to go on a manhunt for screws and bolts and, you know, readjust and take off and readjust to get it to work, then this fuel door is definitely for you. Even this level, not at all. Should have been direct bolt on, but I want to say it was very difficult. Now that we got it finally done, I want to test the key and make sure that sucker works. Boom, there you go. And I will say we have one fully working functional fuel door there. Had to do a lot of cutting and adjusting. Realized that it was snagging right there, so I had to get that piece off, and now it works like a charm. So there you have it, guys. Got your fuel door, got that housing in there so that's not bouncing around. There you have it. One fuel door. Booyah. Now I gotta wash this baby up because he's really dirty. Like that fuel door though, I must say. It's looking nice and flush into the car. Give it that old school look. And that fuel door matches the louvers. Same material, same texture. That powder coated look. Yeah, that's hard right there. Okay, I can dig it. That's it. Thank you guys for watching and joining me on this journey of this fuel door that shouldn't have took 2 days to complete, but it did. It is what it is. Some jobs aren't as easy as they seem or supposed to do, but with a little ingenuity and persistence, you can make it happen. We out.